Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And one of the things that, of course, we talked about and is creating a lot of stir. A lot of people are not happy with this change. And it's the fact that the TPM 2.0 would become mandatory. So that means that if in 24H2 things go the way they are right now, you will not be able to install Windows 11 on a unsupported machine, pretty much because TPM 2.0 bypass is gone. And you know, it's interesting because I'm actually trying to think what's the decision here? Why are you doing this? I mean, I don't see much logic in doing this, because the amount of people that are on unsupported hardware is a small number. Honestly, it's, you know, geeks that watch this channel, pretty much. Most people don't even know what it is and how to bypass all of that. Most people will have Windows 11 buying a new PC, and that's it. But definitely this change is going to impact a lot of people. So on the Canary build that I have on my other computer, yeah, it is definitely gone. It's something that is now mandatory. And my thought on this is maybe the reason why they are doing this. We talked about how BitLocker will be enabled by default, and BitLocker works and requires TPM 2.0. And I'm wondering if it just doesn't go hand in hand. We're going to turn on TPM, we're going to turn on a BitLocker encryption when you reinstall Windows 11 24H2. And of course, we will make sure that you have TPM 2.0. So I was wondering if that could be one of the reasons why they're pushing this. And frankly, you know, if the idea behind it is to make sure that people move on, you know, to Windows 11 with a new PC, it doesn't really change much that you just leave unsupported users enjoy Windows 11 if they want to. You know, the real enthusiasts will want to maybe go to Windows 11 unsupported and continue and use a PC that they have, but that just doesn't meet the requirements. So I don't know. For me, it's a dumb decision, and it's not implemented officially yet. Yes, it's in the Insider Canary build, but before it makes it to the official 24H2, and would it make it to 24H2 the day that it's going to be released this fall? That's interesting. Lots of comments on the channel. I think a lot of people are a little mad at the fact that Microsoft is now pushing this. Then again, Microsoft did say that if you are running unsupported, that, you know, there's no guarantee and things could change at any moment, and I guess that's what they're going to do. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.